subject we are going to learn is a math children. Okay, what we have to do, addition and subtraction, a pair. Now see here, I have done one sum over here. Okay, what is the sum? 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12, what answer we are getting children? 22. That is addition. Isn't it or not? Now, if you want to do the subtraction also, you can do in this. How? I will show you. Over here you see. 22, from where we got 22? When we added 10 and 12, we got 22. Isn't it or not? Now, what we are going to do, from 22, we are going to minus 10. Minus means subtraction. So, what answer we are getting? 12. You can do in other way also, that is 22 minus 12. Before what we did, 22 minus 10. Isn't it or not? Here what is given? 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. So 22 minus 10. See, 10 is over here. So what answer we are getting? 12. Same way you have to do with the other number also. Now what is left? 12 is left. So what you are going to do? 22 minus 12. What answer you are getting? 10. In this way, you are going to do addition and subtractions. Pair you are going to make using the given numbers over here. Okay, now I will show you one more sum. Let us go to that side. Now, see this next sum. What is given over here in the next sum? 71 plus 22. What answer we are getting? 93. How we did over here? 93 minus 71 is equal to 22 answer we got. Isn't it or not? Same way, 93 minus 22. What answer we will get? 71. So in this way, you have to combine both addition and subtraction. You have to make the pair and you have to solve the sums. Did you understand all of you? Now I'll give you more examples also. Now we are going to learn how to do the addition and subtraction in the form of a pair. Okay. Now just you see here, I have given you one example. Okay, this is what? 99. Isn't it or not? What we have to do, this number 99, we have to divide in such a way so that answer we will get is 99. Over here you see 87 and 12. Isn't it? I have divided, I have made it separate, 87 and 12. Now 87 plus 12. What answer we are getting, children? 99. Okay. Same way, when you from 99 when we minus 12, what answer we get? 87. Isn't it or not? Then over here you can see, when we minus 99 minus from 99, when we minus 87, what answer we are getting? 12. Yes or no? Same way. How we have done over here, same way you have to do this sum also. That is, you have to take, first you have to do addition, then you have to do the subtraction using the correct number in the proper place. I'll explain you this sum once again. See, your number is what? 99. This number 99 you have to make divide it in two parts. Make two parts of that number. Okay. What I have done over here, I have made 87 and 12. So children, 87 plus 12, what answer we are getting? 99. Isn't it or not? Now over here you see below that. If I will subtract from 99 minus 12. When I do 99 minus 12, what answer I am getting? 87. Same way, when I do subtraction, if you do from 99 minus 87, what answer we will get? We will get the answer 12. Did you understand, all of you? Now, see the second sum. Our number is what? 84. We have segregated this 84 as 50 and 34. It is 50 plus 34. What we are getting, children? 84. Isn't it or not? Now over here, what you will do? You will write here 50 plus 34. What answer you will get, children? 84. What answer you will get? 84. Understood, all of you? Now we have to do the subtraction. What we will do? From 84 we will minus 50. So how we will write here? 84 minus 50. Now tell me what answer you will get. 84 minus 50, you will get answer 34. What answer you will get? 34. So you have to write here 34. Understood, all of you? Now same way over there, what we will do? 84 minus 50. 84 minus 84 minus 34. 84 minus 34. When we do 84 minus 34, what answer we will get, children? 50. What answer we will get, children? 50. You have to solve in this way. That is addition and subtraction as a pair you have to form, and then you have to do subtraction and addition. Did you understand, all of you? More sums are there in the textbook also. I'll put some more sums that you do yourself. Understood? So now what we have, I have shown you sum number 1 how to do, sum number 2 also how to do. So now sum number 3 and sum number 4 you all are going to solve on your own. Understood, all of you? How to do these sums you have understood. I have shown also what you have to do. Isn't it or not? So using this same formula you have to solve the other sums of addition and subtraction. You are going to do yourself 3 and sum number 4. You all are going to copy down this in your notebook also. So children, let us see the word problem. Okay, we have to solve. Vedashri read 9 pages of a book. Okay, how many more pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages of a book? So we have to find out how many more pages she has to read. So she will finish 15 pages of a book. Now tell me what is given. Number of pages to be read. What is given? Number of pages to be read is what? 15. Which she has to complete, she has to reach is 15. And how many pages she has finished? It is 9. So 15 minus 9 is what, children? 6. Very good. What will you will get? 6. Understood? Now come on, tell me. 9 plus how many is equal to 15? It's very easy. What will come over there, children? 6. What will come over there? 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Now therefore, 15 minus 9, what answer we are getting? 6. What answer we are getting? 6. In this way, you have one more sum in your textbook also that you all are going to solve. Okay. Now, on the other side, some sums are there that I will show you how to do. First one I will do, and then rest you have to do on your own. Now over here you see 8 plus 70, 8 plus box is equal to 17. So what you have to do is, children, from 8 you count till 17. Leave the 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. What did you get? 9. Very good. What did you get? Here what will come? So 8 plus 9, your answer is 17. Therefore, dash minus 9 is equal to how much? So what you will do? 17 minus 9 is equal to what, children? Come on, tell. It will be 8. Followed all of you? Same way over here also. 17 minus 8. What answer you will get? 9. Isn't it or not? So, using this method, you all are going to solve the next sum also. Did you understand, all of you? Okay. Now, one more thing. You all are going to copy this in your notebook also.